start.
Okay, so for warm up, it says, what is the pH scale and what does it measure? Caprice.
A scale that measures the amount of acidity.
And what is the scale? It ranges from what to what?
0 to 14.
0 to 14. Number 2, it says, how does a substance become acidic or basic? What happens? Remember we did a worksheet yesterday? It looked like this. And it had 3 different types of solutions. Remember, one ion was more than the other.
Yeah.
So we had OH minus and H plus. So if something was basic, it had more what ions?
No, so less.
It had more OH minus or H plus.
Which one?
Plus. OH minus.
OH minus if it's basic, and if it was more acidic, it had more what?
H plus.
And if it was neutral, it had a balance of what?
7.
H plus and OH minus, so they had the same amount. Good job. Okay. So today we're going to measure the acidity and basically the pH of things we normally see. So you have cups on your tables, they're number 1 through 8, and they're household items. Okay. So, but first we're going to do a little quiz. So if you look on your desk, you should see a little pH scale quiz on your table. I got it. So within your group, I want you to guess which one is the most acidic to the most basic. Y'all got that?
Yes.
So number 1 will be the most acidic. So I'm going to give you about 3 minutes to do that within your group. And then we're going to do it together. What's that cleaner?
Too proud to be. Wow.
Lies like well, something relaxes that. So I'm gonna help you out a little bit. I'm gonna give you a pH color chart like we used the other day. And we'll work with this together.
What's a roll?
I would like to try and do
Yeah, I'm gonna like.
What's a roll?
Think of stuff that you know. A lot of acids, they kind of have a strong smell. Remember that. Like we know, what is the acid already on this list?
You can repeat your number.
Lemon juice.
You can repeat your number.
No. What about stomach fluids? Is that acidic?
Yes.
Yes. Baking soda, is that acidic or is it basic? Basic. Basic.
Yeah, she said it. It's 6. She just said 6. Which one is it?
Okay, for the majority, everybody's almost done, so we're going to try to do this together. We're going to see if we can do it one time together, and then I'm actually going to show you your answers. So, for bleach, what number do you think bleach is? What pH do you think bleach? So first, is bleach acidic or basic?
Acidic.
Bleach?
Acidic.
That makes sense? Okay. What number?
3.
3. So what about tomatoes?
4.
A 10.
6.
8. What you
So
say?
it's like tomatoes.
It's like an 8. I said 10.
A 10? So you think it's basic? Okay.
Blood is like a 10.
10.
See, I knew that. Huh?
What about blood?
11.
Blood. We have pH. Ladies, are quiet.
11.
Blood 11.
Yeah.
What about water? 7. Because water is what?
Neutral.
Neutral. So what about Rolaids? Something that soothes your belly when you have a tummy ache. 9. Y'all agree?
No.
Yeah.
9.
Yeah.
Baking soda. We worked with this the other day.
10.
10. We got 10 that's tomatoes. 9. We got 9 that's Rolaids.
8. 13.
What about coffee?
12.
13. I said
12.
no, 13.
What do y'all think?
12.
12. Okay. Vinegar?
4. 5. 6.
3.
5. 1.
Think it's acidic?
5.
5 or 6?
5.
5? Okay.
1.
Milk?
3.
Milk.
3. 13.
So is milk base? A base or acid?
A 6.
You sure?
Yeah.
A 6. Okay. Stomach fluids?
4.
4.
Yeah.
Lemon juice?
3. 2. I said 2.
2 for majority?
I said
6.
We gotta agree. Lemon juice?
3. 2.
2. Borax?
3.
3. We got 3. We only have 1, 3, and 14 and 13 left. So 3.
Black 13.
Lye is 1. Household ammonia?
8.
9. Alright, so let's check our answers thus far. Oh, we only have 3 correct. Lemon juice is a 2. Milk is a 6. And pure water is a 7. So, let's show the answers. This is how it should look. Number 1 should be stomach fluids. Number 2 should be lemon juice. Number 3 is vinegar. Number 4, tomatoes. 5, coffee. 6, milk. 7, water. 8, blood. 9, baking soda. 10, borax. 11, Rolaids. 12, ammonia. 13, bleach. 14, lye. So, a lot of things that you thought were acids were actually bases. Okay? So what we're going to do, you have some solutions in front of you, 1 through 8. Okay?
You need goggles.
So I'm going to pass on some goggles. And what I want you to do is number 1 through 8. Predict what you think the pH is from not smelling. I want you to walk. So doing this. Y'all got that? And by the texture or the color. Predict the pH using your pH chart. You just have to next time.
We got to put what substance they're not for. You got to put the substance for the number, like substance for different one, two.
Yes, for other substance, you should label them 1 through 8. And then I'll tell you what they are at the end. Yeah, substances 1 through 8, and then I'll tell you the name of it. Yes. Be careful with the universal indicator. It can stain.
You said 8? So what?
If you want to know, you can just like you don't like that. This would be amazing.
And we're going to go with different actually.
If you want to. So you're writing it down as you go? Substance number 1. And then your predicted pH value. I give y'all about 2 more minutes to predict the pH.
Oh, you mean like the number we wrote down? That's now.
Anybody have any questions? Anybody have any?
Oh, this is exactly. That's like 12.
You about to sniff that? Okay, once you have your predicted pHs, make sure you have all your predictions filled in. Use your universal indicator to find out the true pH of each solution. Once you find out the actual pH, once you find the actual pH, you need to record if it's basic. I'll wait. You need to record if it's basic, acidic, or if it's neutral based on the pH value that you get. Do not go on to test it until you do your prediction. Question? No, I'm going to take it down.
What's the school?
If you need to spare it at all. So, do not put more than 3 drops of universal indicator because of the smell.
You put it in each cup?
Put it in the cup.
Yes.
Every cup?
Don't sniff.
It's just kind of green.
It's just a guess. Who got 2? Okay, use the same number. Who got 2? And when you've done those next 2, you see our
Move it. Move it forward. Thank you.
Which one? Look at the color this turn. Watch it. You once the indicator. Be careful because sometimes when you put the indicator, the color that is going to change to it disappears really quick. So you have to be careful. So drop it. And look what color it is. Do it again. Is it 8? No, you was it 9. Make sure. What color? It's green? Yeah. Watch. Is that green? It's green. It's green? Yeah. Are y'all sure? Yeah. No, look.
That's green.
Okay. What y'all had? What number was that? 8? 6. 6? Did y'all have green for number 2? Yeah.
That's like a yellow.
Can I see it? So watch it. Quick when I drop it. Right? Green. Oh, is it green? Green. Or is it green?
No, that's blue.
What color is it? Blue. Green. It's blue. No, when she first dropped out, you have to watch it. Do not get fooled. You have to first see how it wants to indicate potential solution.
That's right.
Let me do it. Yes.
That's green.
I see blue. I see blue.
Now I see blue.
Okay. Go ahead. It's green.
I don't know what that is.
I know it is, but the actual color is green. Are you going green? You can put green. India, what color was that again? Blue. Okay.
When my skin changed in this color,
That was too good because wait,
I got fall off.
it is 2 o'clock. Anybody have more than 3 left? Anybody have more than 3 solutions left to test?
I got one more.
One more? What y'all got? Y'all done? Anybody else done? Y'all done? Did y'all see like where it was acid or basic? You all done? Are y'all cheating? How y'all making predictions after you already tested them? I think y'all cheated. Y'all done? You sure?
We done reserves.
Everybody finish?
Yeah. Yeah.
You finished this y'all? Ladies, y'all finished? All right.
You said I'm imagining the friend.
So what I want you to do, what I want you to do is what you assume, because some of you getting green and some of you getting blue. What you assume, I want you to mix I want you to mix an acid and a base. And see what happens. You don't have no what? You don't have any bases. Tomorrow. You get to see the Nobody has bases? No.
That's lemon juice.
Number 3 is lemon juice.
What I tell you, I do not know.
Who said it wasn't?
I said this was lemonade.
Number 4.
Water.
Water. Number 4. Bleach. Water. Number 4. This table right here, I got a lot of talking going on. Water. Which I got, Water. Y'all think it's water too? Water. Good job. Number 5. Water. Which I think number 5. Water.
No, baby.
So, okay, so now you got a good point. The colors are, wait, because I'm not going to talk over you. So, you saying that number 5 is water?
No. The colors came out different, so it can't be water. Water and lemon juice.
Ammonia and water.
Number 5 is salsa water. Do y'all know what that is?
Yeah.
So it's carbonated. So that's why the number and the color is a little different. Okay?
So you tricked us.
From behind the desk.
Alpha
Number 6, what do you think that is?
Bleach.
And number 7,
Shower.
y'all cheating.
No, we didn't.
Number 7, why did y'all say shower? What did you say? Detergent. Well, that's a normal thing for people that didn't cheat. All right. And number 8.
Ginger ale.
Right. So I told you
Dirty white.
Sprite.
Dirty white.
Well, Sprite wasn't on sale, so it is lemon lime soda. It is not ginger ale.
Oh, you did say that.
So what I want you to do, look at your, what's that? Shh. Look at your data analysis question. So for the last part, y'all have about 12 minutes. Answer it says, how accurate were your estimated pH determinations in comparison to your actual pH determination? Number 2, which was your strongest acid? Number 3, which is your strongest base? Number 4, you need to list them from most acidic to least acidic, and then most basic to least basic. Okay? But at home, this is what you're gonna do. It was a lot of experimental error. So what I want you to do is write a summary of where you think your experimental error came from. What did you do? Did you use too much indicators? Some of the solutions already had a color. You know how the bleach, which I was looking at?
Yeah.
It was turning blue. Some people say it turned green. Some people say it turned blue. So I want you to explain your experimental error. But for right now, I want you to do the analysis questions in your group.
Why did it turn blue? What's her name? What else? I see blue.
But you see blue. Keep going. Blue. That's blue.
No, when the separated is green.
Okay, but the first color is blue. So analysis questions, I have about 11 minutes to do those. Huh? Analysis questions. Thank you.
In my
No, put this.
Doesn't that present the type of that you should have?
How many six, sir?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Go far.
Yeah. This, I'm talking about actual pH, but it's doing its thing and that's the limit they had.
Question.
Yeah.
We did this the other day. Which one is this? What kind of acid? What kind of acid, Jalen? So, we work with citric acid, right? And then this one was a base, right? Calcium carbonate. So, when I pour acid into a base, what happens to this? So, if I put an acid into a base, what is this? It's a golden color. Okay? So it neutralizes the solution, okay? Same thing as your acids and bases on your table. So, a basic solution has what type of ions?
A what?
A basic solution has what type of ions? OH minus, right? And acidic solution has what type of ions?
What's that? H plus.
H plus. Good job. To stir it up. So what I want you to do? I didn't know. Bleach. So for those who are done their analysis questions, you can come dump your waste. Is somebody writing at the table?
You gonna put all that stuff in there?
I just noticed that shows like this.